In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8. So as you can see, there's not much on the front, just this Apple Watch logo all in white. There's nothing on any of the sides. And on the back here, we have some information. So it says this is the Series 8, and I ordered the Starlight aluminum case in the 45mm size. And here it notes that includes an Apple Watch and a USB-C charging cable. The power adapter is sold separately. And do note that this requires an iPhone 8 or later with iOS 16 or later. And over here it just shows that I did order the Starlight Solo Loop in size 9. So this is one of the custom order Apple Watches. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we have these little pull tabs here. So we lift up. And then we can reveal. So just like the past few years, they have this pretty colorful interior of the packaging. Looks nice. And then here we have the watch and the band. So as usual, Apple has a really amazing unboxing experience here. And the image on the box here matches the version that I ordered, and even the same for the Starlight Solo Loop. So let's go ahead and open that loop band first. So as you can see here, it says the Solo Loop, and we'll go ahead and open this. And on the side here, it does say Starlight Solo Loop. Alright, so there's just some information there, and then we have a cute little Apple Watch logo, and then here is the Solo Loop. And it's interesting, it feels like there's something on this side, but I guess it's just an air pocket. So here it's giving some instructions about attaching the band and putting it on and taking it off. So this is new. I've never had the Solo Loop before, so you do have to pull the bottom of the band to stretch over your wrist. So otherwise everything else seems to be the same. So I'll go ahead and try to get this out here. All right, so first impressions, it does feel a little rubbery, but it feels nice. It's very soft and smooth, and you can see that stretch there. And then it has the usual little attachment mechanism here, and you can see this goes with the 45mm case sizes. It also should fit with the 44mm case sizes, as well as the 42mm case sizes. And I'm assuming this is size 9, not size 6. So it's nice they do designate what size it is there. So I'll go ahead and put this all to the side. All right, let's get the watch here now. So it looks like we can open both sides. And I didn't mention that I did get the GPS only version. I did not get the cellular version. And there we go. So as usual, there's some papers here. I think that's it. So there's some instructions about opening your band box, putting on it, pressing and holding the side button to turn on, and following the steps on the screen to set up. I will go over the entire setup in real time. If you want to check out that video, I'll link in the description below or at the end screen. And this is just some safety information that you can look at later. And Same on the back. So here's the charging cable. And looks like it's USB-C. All right. So we have the magnetic charging puck. Very nice. Has the silver on the bottom and the white where you attach the Apple Watch itself. And here is the USB-C end that you can plug into either a power adapter or your computer or other portable power source, whatever. And let's go for the watch now. So it has a papery protection here. We have the 45mm insignia here. And we'll go ahead and plop it out this way. All right, so there's the first look. First look at the Apple Watch Series 8 Starlight aluminum in the 45mm size. So there's one side. We have the other side with the digital crown and the button. I believe this is the microphone, and these are the speakers. And then here we go on the back. We see Apple Watch Series 8 45mm aluminum and ceramic case. I guess the back is ceramic. Ion X glass. This is GPS and water resistant to 50 meters. And we have the sensors here on the back looking very beautiful. All right, so inside the box, not including all the papers, you just get the watch case, the charging cable, and whatever band you ordered with it. So that's everything that comes inside of the box. Now I'll show you how you attach the charger real quick if you've never done that. It's just a magnetic attachment. Like I said, you take the white side, turn your watch over, and it should just attach magnetically like that. And then you just plug in the power, plug in the USB-C side to power in order to start charging. So now let's go ahead and put on the band. So I don't think it matters which side this attaches, but you definitely want this to be on the inside of your wrist. And I usually attach it holding it like so. So let's go ahead and just say the 45mm side I'm going to slide in over here. And you should hear a click. Okay, so I heard a little click and I turn it on. Hit the button. Maybe it didn't register. All right, and then next, it's a little weirder with the solo loop, but same exact thing. Just slide it in. And hear that click. And then go ahead and do kind of tug back and forth, make sure it's in there securely. So this is size 9, so let's see if it fits, because a lot of times you go to figure out what size you need and they'll give you 2 recommendations. So this one is supposed to fit loosely, so we'll see. All right, so that's the first time I've ever slid on a solo loop. And it's actually pretty nice. So I do think this is a looser fit. I can easily fit more than 2 fingers underneath. I did get the size 8, which was the other recommended size, although it said tighter fit for workouts. I did order that with my Apple Watch SE, so I'll let you know which size I think I would prefer if I could only get one. So here's what it looks like on my wrist. It does feel a little looser, so I think Apple actually was correct in the sizing there if you just go by your wrist size. My wrist is approximately 7 inches or 178 millimeters. So this again is the 45 millimeter Starlight aluminum GPS only with the Starlight Solo Loop band. So I really like this color combination. I do kind of miss the gold colors, but this is my next favorite. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like when you turn this on. So I'm going to press and hold the side button, and then the Apple Watch logo pops up. And eventually it will go into the setup screens. So if you want to watch this getting set up in real time, go ahead and find my video. You can either find it in the description or linked in the end screen of this video, or you can search how to set up Apple Watch Series 8 Wearable Whisper, and it should show up on YouTube or Google search. So here it is, just going through the setup thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.